Hi, I'm Gordon from Gimeo. Today I'll show you how to create a professional HTML email signature for Outlook, which is completely free. Whether you're using the classic Outlook or the latest new Outlook, this signature will work seamlessly across all platforms, including Windows, Mac, Outlook on the web, and even the Outlook mobile app. I've created thousands of email signatures, and I've seen the same mistakes over and over. One of the biggest culprits is those old versions of Outlook with their outdated rendering engines. For now, let's focus on creating a signature that works flawlessly everywhere. There are many tools out there you could use to create your Outlook email signature, but for this video, I'll be using a tool that we created, which is Gimeo. I'll leave a link in the description. The best thing about Gimeo is that you don't need an account to create a free email signature, and there are a ton of free templates. So first, click on the link in the description to head over to Gimeo, and then click on New Signature. Have a look through our templates, and once you've found one that you like, click on it, and then click Apply. You can click on any of the fields in the right-hand side signature preview and adjust their properties on the left. I'll just change the image first by uploading my own. You can use a logo or whichever image you like here. You can also crop the image if you want. I'll just shrink the image down so it's the right size. Since we don't want a fax number in the signature, I can just click on the number, delete it from the left-hand side, and click Done. I'll just change the name over to something random for this example. I'll put in Amelia Sinclair. I'll also quickly change the other details now. You can add a hyperlink to any field by clicking on the link icon on the left-hand side and typing it in. I'll just add a mail to link for the email address so recipients can just click or tap on it to compose a new message to me. This isn't required, but just makes it easier for people to contact you directly from your Outlook signature. Now, I'll just remove the Google Plus icon by changing the icon mode to none. And since this email signature is for a real estate agent, I'll change the LinkedIn icon to Realtor. I'll quickly go through and update all the links for the social icons so they become clickable in your email signature. To remove the Get Your Own Signature message at the bottom, you can leave a review, follow us on socials, or pay for an email signature. Alright, the signature looks pretty neat, so let's install it by clicking the Install Your Signature button. Then, use the Click Here button to grab your design. Make sure you use Google Chrome to copy the signature, as some browsers don't copy HTML tables correctly, which can cause the signature to look completely broken. If you're not sure how to install the email signature in your Outlook, you can just type in Outlook below and it will give you a list of installation instructions for all the different versions. For now, I'll go ahead and install my new signature in the old or classic version of Outlook, and then I'll show you the new Outlook, and also the Outlook app for iPhones and iPads. To install your signature on the web version of Outlook, you can just use the steps from the new Outlook, as it's exactly the same. Alright, let's switch over to the classic Outlook now. Click on File at the top and then Options at the bottom. Then, on the left-hand side, click Mail and then Signatures on the right. Now you can click New and then give your signature a name. Paste the signature in the empty text box by pressing Ctrl V or Command V on Mac. Down the bottom, select which signature you want to use for new messages and replies and forwards. Click OK on the Signatures and Settings window and click to compose a new message to see your new signature. And it looks pretty good to me. Now, I'll show you how to install your signature in the new version of Outlook, but these steps will also work if you're using Outlook in a browser. First, click on the Settings cog at the top, then make sure you're in the Signatures section under Accounts. Type a name for your new signature, or click New Signature if you already have one. Paste the signature into the empty text box by pressing Ctrl V or Command V for Mac. Then, click Save at the bottom. Now you can select which signature you want to use for new messages and replies and forwards, and then click Save again. When you're done, you can just close the settings window. Now, let's click to compose a new message to check out our new signature. And it looks like it should. Before showing you how to install the signature on the Outlook app on your phone, you'll first need to copy the signature on your phone so you can paste it into the Outlook app. There's a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to head over to Gimeo on your phone and recreate your signature and then copy it from the installation tab like we did before. The second way is to purchase an email signature for a one-off cost or subscribe to a plan. Then you'll be able to email yourself a link to access your signature so you can easily copy it on your phone. We would love to be able to offer this feature for free, but to prevent issues with spam, we've had to restrict sending signatures via email for paid users only. Let's switch over to my phone now to install the signature in the Outlook app. I've just emailed the signature to myself, so I'll click on the link to access my signature. Now, I'll just open up the side panel and click the button to copy the signature like before. I'll close out of the browser and open up the Outlook app on my phone. Tap the menu button in the top left where it shows your profile. Then tap the settings gear icon on the bottom left of the menu. Tap on the signature section, then press and hold over the email signature area and paste your email signature into the text box. Your email signature may show borders around it when pasted, but don't worry, these borders won't be visible when you're composing an email. Tap the tick and hit back and close the settings. Let's take a look at the new signature in our Outlook app when composing a new email. And there it is. Looks great. That's all for today. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to create a free email signature for Outlook. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment and see you next time.